Welcome to Adom Home Cooking. Now we're going to prepare the green sauce for our coconut green rice. So these are the ingredients for preparing my green sauce for the coconut green rice. I have my spinach here, which I've already washed. I have my sliced onions, sliced garlic, half Maggi tablet, or you can also use a stock cube, and chili pepper. I have my salt for seasoning and black pepper. So, and of course oil. Yeah, I have oil. I'll use a little bit, just about a teaspoonful of oil to fry my onions. So making my green sauce, I'll just add 1 tablespoonful of my oil, cooking oil. You can use any type of oil at all, maybe coconut oil, vegetable oil, or olive oil. So I just add my oil. I'll add my onion and garlic, the sliced onion and garlic. I'm making green sauce to go with my coconut plain rice. Just fry this for a few minutes. And then I'll add my chili pepper. I'll just leave it in. I don't want to blend it, just to flavor it. And now I add my washed spinach. I'm not going to cut it, I'll just add it like that. It's been washed already, so it contains water. So I'll simmer it gently for it to cook. And I'll not just leave it on, I'll keep stirring it. I'll stand by it and I'll stir it till it's cooked. Now you see that spinach? The spinach that I've added, almost full, a pot full, is now shrunk to this small size. So I'll now add my stock cube, and I'm using half of Maggi. And then my black pepper. You can also use white pepper. If you don't have black pepper, use white pepper. Because the stock cube already contains salt, I'll taste it before. If there is a need to add salt, then I add salt. And also the chili, I just leave it in. You see there is water in it. Spinach contains a lot of water. That's why I didn't add any water to the pot before adding the spinach. I just wash and drain the spinach. So this is going to be served with this is going to go with the coconut green rice. So here we are. Our coconut green rice is ready. This is the coconut green rice. I have my grilled tilapia here to go with it. This is the Ghanaian gravy. Remember, I also show you how to prepare this Ghanaian gravy. Spinach. Just the spinach, steamed spinach. So you're going to serve this with your coconut green rice. It's very nice and healthy. Adom Home Cooking Special. So, enjoy Adom Home Cooking Special coconut green rice.